Edmore is a village in Montcalm County, Michigan, with a population of about 1,200. Edmore was founded by Edwin B. Moore in 1878 and named with a contraction of his name. It became popular due to its railway station, Edmore Junction, on the Detroit, Lansing, and Northern Railroads. 24 trains passed through daily to exchange passengers, mail, and freight. This is still a lively downtown with many shops and thrift stores. There are also plenty of restaurants, including a coffee shop that features an axe-throwing area. The town's museums, the Edmore Pine Historical Museum and the Old Fence Rider Historical Center, give an interesting look into the area's history.